Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to delete multiple emails at once in Gmail. Let's dive right in. On a mobile device, open the Gmail app and ensure you are logged into your desired Google account. On the main screen of the Gmail app, locate your desired emails and tap on their profile icon or photo to select them. After selecting all the emails, tap on the delete icon at the top, represented by a basket icon. On a computer or laptop, launch your web browser and go to your Gmail account. Find the emails you want to delete and select them by clicking on the checkbox next to each email. Once you have selected all your desired emails, click on the delete button represented by a basket icon, and that's it. You have successfully deleted multiple emails at once. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.